With the right social media strategy, you can brand your personal self or business with ease. But it can also be very confusing if you don't know where to start. There are many social digital media platforms and tools to help you increase your productivity and success. But how do you know which is the best platform to use? How do you know which is the right strategy that can help you generate the most views and sales revenue? Introducing our WSQ Social Media Marketing Masterclass with Stevenson Hureca. Facilitated by our ACTA-certified industry experts, you'll learn the latest strategies to select and apply the right digital tools and social media trends to guide your decision-making. Develop marketing goals and online content specific to your needs. Discover best practices in acquiring more online followers. Analyze your social media campaigns and make recommendations for increased ROI. And finally, you'll enjoy a practicum to create an engaging Facebook fan page and professional LinkedIn profile. And yes, all of these are funded by SkillsFuture Singapore. Hear what our participants have to say about our program and trainer.
One thing that really helped me in my business is I was looking for scheduling tools. All right, and then of course we know Hootsuite, and there's a lot more, and therefore I really appreciate that we have scheduling tools that were taught, and also alternative to Google as well. So all these were shared in class. Diana comes with great energy, and I've always believed as a trainer myself, what makes the course is the energetic influence of the trainer.
Something that I learned, something that's really new, was actually Canva. I didn't know that Canva was a software that existed, which helped to actually make our life, a really, I would say, easy. So that was something I picked up.
Register now and find a digital strategy that works for you.